Nokia N91 disassembly. Be sure to be connected to the earth connection box and your ESD wristband. You will need the following tools: the SRT6, metal tweezers, a Torx Plus driver size 6, a flat-bladed screwdriver, the SS15 camera removal tool, the SS93, and a DC plug. Always protect the windows with plastic film. Also cover the camera window with protective film. Unlock and remove the B-cover assembly. Gently release the clips of the antenna cover assembly on both sides. Lift off the antenna cover assembly. Release the 6 Torx Plus size 6 screws in the order shown and remove them. The assembly is still held together by these 2 snaps. Release them with the SRT6. Slide open the assembly to expose the key mat before continuing. Press down on the key mat slightly in the direction shown while lifting off the slide assembly. Immediately cover the LCD with protective film. Remove the bezel cover. Protect the inner side window with plastic film. Carefully lift out the volume key hardtop. And the menu key hardtop. Unlock the rail spring. The slide assembly is no longer fixed and can now be easily slid off. Remove the rail spring with tweezers. Press out both slide connector pogos. The slide bezel is glued down. Ease it off gently as shown. Open the LCD flex connector and lift off the LCD. Remove the display frame assembly. Be careful to avoid damage to the grounding clips of the display frame assembly when removing the earpiece. Carefully lift up the earpiece with tweezers. Lift the joystick button off vertically and evenly. Now the T9 keymat assembly can be easily removed. Lift off the engine module. Use the A cover as a support when removing the camera module. Position the SS15 camera removal tool over the camera module. Release the clips holding it and lift it off. remove the vibra assembly and the vibra shield. Unlock the whole switch handle with the SRT6 and remove it. Raise the audio jack and remove it. Carefully ease out the IHF speaker. The membrane of this speaker is very delicate and can be easily damaged. Do handle it with care. Unlock the space for DC jack carefully. Avoid bending the spring contacts. Use the DC plug to lever up the DC jack so that it can be removed. Unlock the BB UD shield. Turn the assembly over and lift off the shield. Unlock the shield of the HDD assembly with a flat-bladed screwdriver as shown. The HDD assembly is glued down. Carefully release the adhesive bond with the SS93 and lift off the HDD assembly. The disassembly procedure is now complete.